way up the valley, it actually goes to an ochreous clay seam on the hilltops. And there was another disused there at the bottom, you probably noticed, coming off the front. The actual brickworks is at the end of there.
Oh, okay.
And that was built first. That was built before the railway arrived.
Right.
To bring the clay down to the brickworks.
Right, yes.
And of course the railway wanted to gain height. And the obvious thing is to use a valley and zigzag. So they gazumped their railway and cut it back to there, and then there was a series of hopper wagons to get the clay down. And the brickworks packed in during the Depression and never restarted, which is why that's out of use.
Ah, Calvin Coolidge again.
Have you had that stuck in any points this week?
Let's go look at this.
Oh,
That's behaved, hasn't it?
the black one I used to take up the last goods.
Did the pony truck start falling off?
Yeah, at that set of points.
Yes. It did for John as well. I'm wondering if the points are starting to come to bits. We're supposed to go over from the States. We checked to be in December and I forgot.
Yeah.
So about 2 weeks before the show, he's reported years around. He's meant to explain something. So 5 mid-laxes in gears and a complete G-scale 2/6 Celsius.
Right, see, that's the problem I have with it.
Right. I can't unfortunately, there's so marginal, I've got outside cracks on the back of the floppy chest. It's beyond the tolerance range. Unfortunately, it's a fraction of hours to do that.
I suppose all these things have a shelf life, don't they?
Yeah, so
I mean, the Flashman chassis.
Aero 6.2, I've discovered that that's exactly the same thing and taken the new. So you made me learn for that. No, that's lighter than that.
I find out with cars, you said swap yours for one, they'll give you a new car. No thanks, it's complicated and just no better really. I know what you mean, you don't always get better, they get different. And also they run out of actual available.
There is still a lot of Gibson stuff. It's still there in the catalogue. The stores have got not very many wheels, but they've got a lot of tyres.
Oh, that's
So you can find a tyre and wheel and more.
Reading coach.
Yes. Well, you quite right. Read them on the press.
Just the whole straight, nothing is open. Yeah, I'm not often anyway. Perhaps I don't know. Was he intended to be? No. Very